It is a challenge to be sure, but certainly manageable when you concentrate on her specific requirements, help her discover good female good example, and express love in methods she can receive it. Coping as a freshly widowed daddy single fatherhood is a challenging shift to be sure. However, ending up being a single father as an outcome of the death of your spouse is mentally charged and has a significant series of obstacles that we might never have anticipated. Find out how other widowed daddies have actually dealt with the shift and what you can do to assist your own kids and yourself deal with the loss of your better half and their mom. Dealing with household tasks, which home chore do you dislike the most? For some, sweeping and mopping the kitchen area flooring is the toughest due to the fact that it only looks great for a day, and after that all you observe is how bad it looks. These hacks for commonly hated home chores can help you deal with the tasks you do not like and get them done more rapidly and efficiently. Dating tips. When you think you are all set to get back in the dating scene, you rapidly recognize that it is not the very same world it was when you were dating the last time. Have a look at a couple of morsels of recommendations from other single fathers about how to handle dating as a man with kids, and you can also listen to podcasts for more. 3. The romantic/gamer myth. It's been a long-held concept that in order to successfully bring in a woman, you're required to either come off as a too-cool-for-school gamer type or a candlelit dinner and roses type. Those are exaggerations clearly. However, a lot of males are generally trying to fit into among those functions. How did most couples fulfill? At a bar? Through a succession of extravagant dates? Nope. About 75% of the couples I interviewed started as good pals. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.